Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GL450 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you an adaptive high beam assist, active curve illumination. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. An almond beige mocha MB Tex interior, panel sunroof, third row seating, trailer hitch, GL450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders. This GL has 71,817 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GL450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.